Hello and welcome to How to Guide. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can cancel your orders on Fiverr. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Open any type of browser you have on your PC. Then what you need to do is go to fiverr.com. Go ahead and log into your account and make sure that you have your order placed. As I don't have any order placed, there is nothing to cancel, but I'm surely going to teach you how you can cancel it. So go to help and support, which is over here in the settings option. So go to your profile and you can see the help and support. After you click on it, you will be headed to the Fiverr Help Center. Scroll a bit down and you can go to Order Management. Now you can scroll a bit down and find cancellations and refunds over here. So if you want to cancel the product, you can just go ahead and go to cancellations, and you can see there are different types of cancellations over here: buyer requested cancellations and seller requested cancellations, and there are mutual cancellations as well. To cancel your order, what you need to do is go to the resolution center for buyers or resolution for sellers if you are using the alternative accounts. So what you need to do is click on any one of these according to your account type, and you can easily cancel your order. So you can see that if you click on ask the seller to cancel this order, you can easily cancel the order. As I don't have any order placed, I cannot cancel it now, but you can surely do this. If you want to read more articles about canceling the order, you can go ahead and click on these hyperlinks and you can learn how to cancel your order on Fiverr. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.